Good day, sir, madam. I am Marilo Apali. I am 32 years old. Married, I have no child. I am high school graduate. I am Catholic. I am from Lanao del Norte, Philippines. My husband is fisherman. My mother is housewife and my father is a carpenter. I have one brother and one sister. My experience are, I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. And I am domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I serve 7 members of the family, 2 adults and 5 children. Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong. Sir, madam, I quit and I learned lot of them. Sir, madam, my duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dish, ironing, and take care of children. Yes, sir, madam. Sir, madam, I am loyal, hardworking, and I serve lot of them. Sir, madam, I want to earn money to my family future. Yes, sir, madam, if you hire me, I'll do all my best and I treat your family as my family too. I follow your regulation and responsibilities you give it to me. Thank you. God bless you.